Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Rafa here today. Welcome back to RADSCALS. Doing gang shit. Alright, so today we're gonna do some brake changes for my Subaru. So I'm just gonna get all the tools necessary. I got the brake pads already. Alright, let's get started. So essentially, what you need for this is your breaker bar, flathead screwdriver, some brake lubricant, and your Duralast or whatever type of brand brakes you need. These are the rears. I have the fronts. We're gonna do both today, but I'm just showing you the fronts. But you'll also need things to take off your wheel. There's always different sizes for different cars, so I'll let you situate that on your own. This rat socket is a 14 millimeter. I don't know if it runs for the same for every car, but yeah. So we're just gonna do the back real quick, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, and then we'll go to the front. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I woke up early to do this because I'm trying to beat the sun, because California weather would be crazy out here. It'd be like 112 and raining. It's weird. Alright, so let's get to it, guys. Alright, so as you can see, you guys, there's a line here, and there's 2 bolts here, one here and one here. So pretty much it opens up like a clamshell. So if I remove this one, it'll open up this way, and if I remove this one, it'll open up this way. Since we don't want to pull on the hose or anything, we're gonna take off this one, so it opens up this way instead of this way, so it doesn't pull on the hose. So mine's a 14 millimeter. I'm not sure if that's for all makes and models, but so this is 14. I would recommend using a breaker bar just to try to really break this nut, since it's probably really stuck on there. But I'm just gonna give it a try with this. We'll see how it goes. Off the rear screw, nut, whatever, you just kind of wiggle it under here and it'll come off. Ooh, boom. And then now you can see there's your brake pads. And then with this, you just take it off with the flathead. One step closer to being done. So these are the ones I got you guys, the Duralast brake pads gold. I got these at AutoZone for like 40 bucks. These are for the rears. So as you can see, boom, compared to this, see how much thicker this one is compared to this one. Yeah, so we're gonna put these up. Since they didn't give me new clips, I still bought brake lubricant, so I'm gonna show you where to put them. So pretty much, you guys want to get a little bit of the lubricant and just put it on the back of the brake pads, just because you don't want the brake pads getting stuck to the brake clip.
I'm just gonna spread it around here. You don't need to put too much. Just a little fingertip of it.
So you guys want to put some on your finger, put some here where the brake pads are gonna touch, but make sure you do not get it on the rotor, you guys. That's very important. Don't get it on the rotor. You guys want to do the same thing on the top too. How to do this was, this clip goes on the bottom, and I remember that, okay, if you look, there's 3 little black things on this side, and then this side there's only 2. So what I remember is the black thing goes on the bottom, and the 3 of the black sides go on this other side. So pretty much we just place in here, make sure it goes in just like that. Boom. Now for the other side, same thing, 3 black sides. This one you don't need a clip, so you just put it here like this. See, it has to go between here at this point, and this point, and then this point and this point. Same thing on the other side, but you just can't really see it. Boom. Pretty much on this side. Oh wait, almost forgot something. Okay, guys. Okay, so I forgot one step, you guys. So you see this little thing right here? This needs to be pushed back. So what you do is you get some pliers or whatever you guys want to call these, and you get the old brake pad on here. You get these, and you just squeeze. So this little thing is pushed back, so there's enough space for when you put the new brake pads, they'll fit. I'm not gonna record doing this because I kind of need both hands to do this because it requires some good amount of force to push this. As you can see, this is now flush with the brake caliper. So now when you put in the brake pads, they should fit nice and snug. Because I was trying to put the brake caliper down with just the new pads, but then I forgot that step. Because if you don't do that, then they won't fit, obviously. And that's what I was forgetting to do. So you just put them right in. Boom. Now this should go down. Boom. See, now it fits. Okay, so after this, you guys, pretty much all you gotta do is put some antifreeze on this thing, or on your nut, and just screw it back in. That's all you gotta do, guys. I was already working on the second brake on the back, and I put my phone down. Okay, because I record with the iPhone 7, so it has like 4K viewing. So I said I'll just put the phone down, just do like a time lapse of doing the second brake. And well, my phone overheated while recording the whole process, and I did not even get not even all the full second back brake. So yeah, I'm kind of salty right now because I'm already finished with the second one. The new brake's on, I just need to put the wheel back on. So yeah, I'm kind of mad. Alright, I was just gonna put the wheel back on and then we'll work on the front. Over here, because the sun's coming out. We don't want to be in the sun, so we moved it to the shade. So pretty much since we can't pick up the front but just with one jack, so we have to pick up the back first with one jack and another with the front, since the back one lifts up the whole car. So we pick up the front as soon as the back is lifted up. So my dad woke up, he's gonna help me do the fronts. Alright guys, so for the fronts, it's pretty much the same thing. The only difference is they're a little bit bigger, but it's pretty much the same process. Loosen the back. This time, yeah, you loosen the bottom one, it lifts up, and then it's the same process.
I get to feeling she'll be rising and
brakes up.
They work? You see how they're smoking.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. We did a little quick brake install because my car needed new brakes. We got it all done. Sorry if there's like little steps we missed or something. I had to leave soon, so that's it. You guys, pretty much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Everything the sun touch belongs to